This tutorial demonstrates how to view calendar events and add and manage them. At the bottom of every page, you'll see upcoming events, and you can click here to view all. As you can see, all the ministries are color coded so that you can view events for a specific ministry, or you can view events all of them at once. So let's go back to June, and you'll see that there's a couple different ministry events in June. If I just wanted to view one of them, I could click the pertaining color. So as we can see here, if we select an event, let's say the marriage of Mary and Gary, and I click on it, it will bring down a date, the duration, which is 1 day, a description and an address, and also a ministry category, and you can view the map, which gives directions to the Holy Redeemer Church. This is using Google Maps. You can select the month you want to view and the year. So let's create a test event. Go to your dashboard, scroll down to Calendar, click it, and let's create an event for August 16th. Click the window for August 16th. Let's make this a 1-day event, and let's make it from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you wanted to, you could say that this event repeats every day, every 2 days, every 7 days, which is every week. But in this case, this is a one-time event. By checking this box, you're telling everyone that the event lasts the entire day. But in this case, it only lasts from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Let's give this event a title. We will call it Men's Ministry Barbecue. And we want to categorize it for the men's ministry. So that way they can see when they do a color code search that that event applies to the men's ministry only. The venue will be the church. You could type in the church address. Sign up sheet ID, we'll get to that further in this video. That's where people can sign up and register for the event, and a description. You could give a contact person if they have any questions, and a phone number. Then click Add. As you can see, we have our 5 p.m. Men's Ministry Barbecue event right there. They can click on it to learn more. Let's go back to our home page. And as you can see in the upcoming events, now you have your new event showing up. These events will show up in order from most current to in the future, later in the future. So basically it's in chronological order. This upcoming events footer will show up to 8 events. But if you wanted to view more than 8 events, you would click View All. So as you can see, if someone clicks the Men's Ministry button and they look in August, they'll see that event. that is how to create an event, and in this video I'll get into more detail about how to create a sign up sheet for your event. This part of the tutorial will show you how to create a sign up sheet for an event. For example, for this men's ministry barbecue event that we just created, we would like to create an event sign up sheet so that people can sign up to bring certain things, and they'll be sent to the creator of the event's email address so that he or she knows who's bringing what. So for example, on this sign up event, I have created hot dogs, someone needs to bring 40 of them, buns, someone needs to bring 40 of them, etc. So if someone wanted to bring the hot dogs, they would click sign up. They would type in their name, phone number, and click sign me up. The person who created this event will get an email notification that someone had signed up to bring the hot dogs, and it will also include that person's contact information as well. So let's create one of these sign up sheets. First thing you'll do is you'll go to your dashboard, and then you'll select sign up sheets. Right now we need to click add new. The name of this event sign up sheet will be called Men's Ministry Barbecue Sign Up. The event type is just one day, so we'll say single. We can give people a reminder who have signed up 7 days in advance and also 3 days in advance. We want this to be visible to the public so that those who are on the website can see these events and event signups. The chair name is the person who created this event, so we'll say John Smith. The chair email is johnsmith222@gmail.com. This is the person who will get notified when someone signs up to bring a particular item or sign up for an event. Program details is a description. Join us for fun at the men's ministry barbecue. Please RSVP to John Smith222@gmail.com if you plan on attending. Our last and final step is to save the sign up sheet. Now we have to create the items that we need people to bring to the event. The date of the event we'll select as August 16th. Hot dogs will be needed, so we'll type hot dogs times 40, because 40 hot dogs. We need one person to bring a pack of 40 hot dogs. We don't need to say the start time or end time because they already know that from viewing the event. You can ignore or allow duplicates and enable quantities for now. You don't need this details needed. This would be if you needed more specifics, like if the task item was bring meat, then you would put a details needed box and you would say type of meat you are bringing. But in this case you don't need to do that because it's self-explanatory. We will type ketchup bottles times 2. And we just need one person to bring that. Now let's save. And the next step is to go back to your sign up sheets and click all sheets. As you can see, we have our men's ministry barbecue sign up. You want to pay attention to the ID number, which is 6. You can copy that by right clicking on it and selecting copy, or you can just remember it. So let's go back to the event we created in August called Men's Ministry, and I arrived here by going to Calendar, selecting August, and then clicking on Men's Ministry. In the editor, you'll see that there's a sign up sheet ID. You want to put the ID number in there, which in this case is 6. In the description, you can also add it once again, please RSVP to John Smith 222 at gmail.com if you plan on attending. Click update. Now, when a person views this event, they can go sign up, and they can say, oh, okay, they need hot dogs and 40 of them. I'll sign up for that. You would type in your name, and your email address. Let's use a different person. And click sign me up. The chairperson of this event will now be notified via email, which is johnsmith222 at gmail.com, that Jane Doe has vouched to sign up to bring 40 hot dogs. You can also click on view and sign up to go back to sign up for more things, and you can just double check that you've signed up for the correct item. So that is how to create a sign up sheet and sign up for different items. One convenient feature is that when someone does go to sign up for the event, it will show that someone's already bringing hot dogs and the person's name, so that there won't be any overlap and there won't be any accidental instances where a second person would bring hot dogs.